Team Fullest. This is the product that I'm talking about. I said on my last video Lancome, but it's not Lancome, it's ESTÉE Lauder Advanced Night Repair Cream. This is the second container. I got the first one. I got two of this from Douglas. You guys know I always buy perfume from Douglas, so I do get sent some cards to go and pick up some free samples of products. So I got this one twice in the card and I pick up it. I use the other bottle, I finish it. So this is my second bottle. So now I'm like really thinking if I should get the bigger one and give it a try, because honestly speaking, I really love using it. Like, it's not that much in it, but trust me, if you go a little bit, just a little bit slow, just take it slowly, it will definitely last you for a couple of days. And I have been use it now at night. Only this one. I didn't use any other product. I only use this one at night now for, I think, for a week or two now. And I really love the way my skin feels in the morning. I love how my skin is looking very healthy, looking really nice, you know. So I am thinking to pick the bigger container and start using it as part of my night routine. I don't know, because I do have other serums that I'm using now. I have the ordinary vitamin E or C serum that I use at night. So I'm thinking, should I just finish that? Because I really don't like to use different products on my skin. I like to, when I stick with something, I want to stay with it and use it for as much as I can. I don't like to change product. So I'm thinking, let me first use the ordinary. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. The ordinary serum that I'm using at this moment at night. So this is, I think this is the vitamin C. So this is what I'm using right now at night. This is the ordinary vitamin C serum that I use at night. You guys can see this is how far I am. But I stopped using it for 2 weeks because I was experimenting with this one and I really love the results. I love this one, to be honest. I also love the way how this one make my skin feels. I really love it, but I don't know if it's necessary to be combining both at the same time, because I really, when I'm using a product, I really want to stick to one product and use it and see how it goes. I don't really like to use different type of product, but because then you don't actually know which one is working for you. So I'm thinking, first let me use this one and finish this one, and when this one is finished, I will go ahead and get the bigger bottle, because this one is quite on the pricey side compared to the ordinary. This one was 26 euros. I picked it up 26 euros from the Douglas, and this one, the bigger container, can go up to like 100 plus. So it's like 100 euro plus for the largest container. Not that the largest, but like the 50 or 90 something milliliter, I don't know, but it's like 100 euros. And this is really it's really a good product, but it's also on the pricey side. But for example, price for me is not the problem. If I really like it, I'll pick it up, but I just don't know if it's advisable to be using this at the same time. And that's also something I want to go to the store and ask those skincare experts. But if you are you have much more knowledge on skincare and you have tried this together, please let me know. I really like to know your opinion in the comment box. What do you think? Because I have a very sensitive skin, and combining different products on my skin cannot always be the best idea. Sometimes it can work out good, sometimes it can work out really bad. And so that's the reason why I don't really buy a lot of skincare product, because I don't really have time to go through all this ingredient list and to see exactly what is in there, because sometimes they will put the name looking really nice, but then if I go to my medical file and try to look up ingredient that I'm allergic to, I'll see something in there, and so I really don't like to use different products. So let me know in the comment box if you have tried these two together and what do you think about combining, or should I just use one first, finish it, and then try this new product, because I've used it now. I haven't got any bad skin reaction. This is the second bottle, so I think my skin like it. I think the ingredients here are not like really harsh on my skin, and same goes to this one also. I love it. But I just wanted to come and share with you guys here, and if you have much more idea on skincare, please let me know if it's possible to combine these two together or it's not possible. Let me know in the comment box. I would really like to know. Team Fullest, and this is just a short video. I would just want to come and share with you guys some stuff that I'm doing, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment box. I'll try and leave all the information for you guys in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.